Haters gonna hate, 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 hate. Calculator's gonna calculate, late. Okay, yeah, it's time. We're gonna do the calculations. So we're gonna, first of all, start with our formula, then our substitution, and then our answer with unit, as should be for all speed, distance, time calculations. Nice 3 lines of working. I also really enjoy when the lines go one under the other. It's very easy to follow. So, first of all, our formula. To work out the time, we are going to do the distance divided by the speed. So if I've got a distance of 12 miles and a speed of 4 miles per hour, I'm going to do 12 divided by 4, which gives me 3 what? Well, I look back at the speed, and the speed was miles per hour, so there's my time unit. So this is going to be 3 hours, which makes sense. If you're going 4 miles an hour, after the first hour, you've gone 4 miles, then you'll have done 8 miles, and then you'll have done 12 miles. So how long time does it take you to go 12 miles? 3 hours. Okay, next one. Start with the formula. Time is equal to distance over speed. That's exactly the same as saying distance divided by speed. I've just written it with a fraction. Don't fear the fractions. The distance is 10. And the speed is 3 kilometers per hour, so 10 over 3. I could use my calculator for this. 10 divided by 3 gives me 3.3 with a little dot on top. 3.33333333333. Okay, so I could write down 3.3 with a little dot on top, but what is that? Okay, again, we're working in hours because it's kilometers per hour. 3.333333333 hours. But is that useful as an answer? If someone said, hey, how long is it going to take you to get here? And you said, oh, don't worry, I'll be there in 3.33333333333 hours. Well, for one, if you were going to say all of these threes, it would take you a lot longer to actually get there. But that's just not how people speak. So if you remember back to the kind of standard decimal hours that we had, this is in fact 3 hours and 20 minutes because the 3 recurring is a third of an hour, which is 20 minutes. Okay, and finally, a really challenging one. If you had to go 500 miles, but you were a snail, and I actually Googled the speed in miles per hour for a snail, and you had to go 0.03 miles per hour, how long would it take you to get there? So the time is going to be the distance divided by the speed, which is 500 divided by 0.03. A little bit unusual to see a decimal in a fraction. Think about how that is going to change the answer. So normally when you divide, you get a smaller number. But what if you divide by a number less than 1? Let's find out. 500 divided by 0.03. It will take the snail 16,666.6666666 hours to do this 500 miles. So 16,666 and 2/3, if I was to write that as a fraction, hours. Oh wow, poor snail. That's a lot of hours. Maybe we want to turn that into days to know how long it's going to take the snail to actually get there. So to turn it into days, I am going to divide by 24. 694 days. Oh, snaily. Okay, so 694.4, still recurring, days. Okay, we might then want to turn this into weeks, so let's divide by 7. It's going to take that snail 99 and a bit weeks. I'm actually going to round this now, so I'm going to change it into an almost equivalent. Oh, if we can see what's going on here. So an equal sign that's a bit squiggly means, like, I've rounded it. It's roughly 99 weeks for a snail to slime 500 miles. Okay, have fun doing some calculations of your own. Maybe think up some other snail distances.